Deck surface mold causing discoloration and rot risk is a total pain, but you can keep your deck looking fresh and solid with some simple steps. So, first off, you gotta clean your deck regularly, like at least every few weeks if you live somewhere damp or shady. Use a stiff broom or brush to scrub off dirt and leaves that trap moisture. Next, grab a good mold and mildew cleaner made for wood decks, spray it on, let it sit, then rinse it off with water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can mess up your deck's finish or the environment. After cleaning, make sure your deck dries completely before using it again. Sunlight helps kill mold spores fast. Applying a mold inhibitor or a sealant designed to block moisture is clutch for stopping mold from coming back. Keep plants trimmed away so air can move around the deck and dry it out after rain. Lastly, check for any damaged wood early on, since rot can spread quick if you ignore it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck mold and rot is skipping regular cleaning, which lets mold build up and stain your wood permanently. Fix that by setting a cleaning schedule and sticking to it, even if it feels like a hassle. Another common issue is using generic cleaners or bleach that can actually harm the wood fibers or strip protective coatings. Use products made for decks instead. Finally, not sealing your deck after cleaning leaves it vulnerable to moisture and mold growth. Always apply a mold inhibitor or water-resistant sealant once the deck is dry to protect it long-term. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about deck cleaning and repair, so you don't have to stress over who to call. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing work done, making sure everyone wins when it comes to great home projects.